Let me show you the best features that I found on Realme Note 6T. And most of those features we'll be able to find in the settings on this device. The first thing we're going to cover is in special features, and there's 1, 2, 3 features here. So the first one is app lock. When you perform the setup on the app lock and click on it for the first time, it will instruct you through it. Then you'll be able to select the apps that you want to lock. So for example, if we lock our Google Chrome, I already previously locked it, and we try to open it, it will ask for a password each time you try to open the app that is currently locked. Next feature will be the hide app, and again we need to go for special features, and there's the hide apps. Now when we perform the setup again, it will guide you through it yet again. Then you'll be able to select the secret code that you can use to access hide hidden apps, and you can hide those apps by just clicking on the pardon me, on the switch next to the app. So for example, there's currently 2 apps that are hidden on my device. We can click on the gear icon and then access our code. And I'm going to change it to something simple like 4000 and then again the hash. So when we save it like that, we can access all of the hidden apps as they are not visible normally on our phone right now. We can access them by opening our phone dialer and then typing the code that we've inserted to hide them. And as you can see, now we can access them. And the last thing in special features is private safe. Now inside of the private safe, you'll be able to hide your videos, files, audio files, documents, and other files. And in this case, I keep hidden those 6 images. They are nothing but just to showcase you that we can do it. We can hide those 2 additional images, and now they appear here. When we go to the photos of our phone, they will be gone, and we can access them only through the privacy folder. And each time you want to check them, you will need to go right here to the private safe. Okay, so we have the special features covered. Let's move to smart control. So this is basically section for all of the gestures and motions that you can use on your phone. And the first one is screen of gestures. When you activate it, then you can perform any of these actions and something will happen. For example, if we double tap when our phone is locked, it should wake our screen. We can draw V to turn on or turn off our flashlight, or draw to O to open camera. Let's try using that. So we double tap, our phone wakes up. We double tap again, it should lock. Nope. But we can also access camera with O. It opens our camera automatically. Or we can draw V to turn on flashlight. But keep in mind that your phone needs to be fully blacked out to make this feature work. Okay, let's move to the different gestures. There's a smart touch. Smart touch membrane, improve the sensitivity of a screen. Then a smart touch bag, greatly improve the sensitivity of the screen when using a waterproof bag and improve the touch experience. So you can enable those functions. They are not as great, I think, as the rest, but you can manage them if you like. Then there's the touch disable, prevent misuse when the device is in your pocket. Lift to check phone. If you lock your device and then lift your phone, you'll be able to check the information. It should wake up your screen. Then there's the smart motion. When enabled, you'll be able to use hash ring, and ringtones volumes will decrease and the phone will vibrate when you pick it up to answer incoming call. So if you receive any call and you lift your phone, it will silence that ringtone and make your phone vibrate. And there's also AI boost, and I think it works for the camera. No, it actually adjusts and optimizes your speed on that device. It can increase the performance, or you can go for the game boost, which will increase it even greater, and you can adjust your CPU and RAM frequency at that as well. And that would be all of the features that are quite interesting on this device.